Welcome back, and today, we are looking at the powerful Atmor ABC 18kW Tankless water heater. This advanced system provides endless hot water on demand using smart automatic water flow sensors. The digital display lets you easily set temperatures from 86 to 122 degrees. It supports up to 3 simultaneous applications like showers and sinks in residential or commercial settings. The compact wall-mounted design saves valuable space while providing 99% energy efficiency. Durable stainless steel internal canisters and piping ensure a long life for this lead-free unit. Installation is straightforward since this electric heater requires no gas lines or complex venting systems. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.